Hey there, my colourful friends. Welcome back to another cozy moment with me. You know, colouring is more than just filling shapes with colours. It's like giving your thoughts a gentle hug. Every stroke, every shade helps you breathe a little slower, smile a little easier, and dream a little bigger. So grab your favourite colouring page, maybe something snowy, cozy or magical, and let's colour together today. Because colouring is always more fun when your hands are busy, your heart feels light, and your imagination wanders into a beautiful story. And today's story is one that sparkles with snowflakes, laughter and friendship. It's called The Snowman's Secret Gift. So as you colour, imagine the sound of snow crunching under little boots, the chill in the air, and two best friends giggling as they build a snowman on Christmas Eve. So, are you ready? Let's get started. It was Christmas Eve in the little town of Winterberry, where rooftops wore white hats and laughter floated through frosty air. Two best friends, Lila and May, bundled in woolen scarves, were racing through the snow, their cheeks pink, their gloves soaked, their hearts warm. They had one mission today, to build the biggest snowman their street had ever seen. But what they didn't know was that their snowman had a secret, one that would change their friendship forever. Lila rolled the first snowball, perfectly round, steady and strong. May laughed, adding a slightly lopsided one on top. "Hey, he's got my posture," May giggled. They searched for the perfect carrot nose, shiny coal buttons and an old scarf from Lila's dad's closet. And finally, the hat. May held it up proudly, an old floppy Santa hat with a golden star stitched at the tip as she placed it gently on the snowman's head. A tiny sparkle flickered beneath the star. They didn't notice, not yet. As the snowflakes danced around them, Lila said softly, "Promise me, May, we'll always spend Christmas together, even when we're grown-ups." May nodded. "Always? Even when we have grey hair and our own kids making snowmen." They pressed their mittened hands together and laughed. Behind them, the snowman's golden star shimmered again, brighter this time, as if sealing their promised night fell. The town glowed under fairy lights. Lila went home, tired but happy. May stayed a little longer, whispering goodnight to their snowman. At midnight, when the church bells rang, the golden star lit up completely. The snowman blinked. His coal eyes glowed like tiny lanterns. He looked at the footprints of the two girls and smiled, a soft, snowy smile. He lifted his stick arm and waved toward the window where May slept. Next morning, the girls ran outside. Their snowman looked somehow different, as if he'd been smiling all night. At his feet lay a tiny, glowing snowflake pendant made of ice, perfectly shaped like the star on his hat. It sparkled even in the weak winter sun. They looked at each other in awe. "Did you put this here?" Lila asked. May shook her head. "No, did you?" They both laughed nervously, but deep down they knew it was their snowman's gift. A reminder that their promise, their friendship, was magic. The girls grew up, moved to new cities, built new lives, but every Christmas they'd send each other a photo of a snowman, no matter how small, no matter where they were. And each year, the snowflake pendant still glowed faintly, as if the snowman's heart was still beating in their memories, because some friendships are made not of time or distance, but of love, laughter, and a little Christmas magic. So tell me, if your snowman could come alive this Christmas, what do you think he would gift you? Draw your imagination at the corner of the page and comment in the comment box about the gift. I would love to know about the gift you imagined, and please post your masterpiece to me on the Facebook account linked in the description below. If you like the story and the colouring video, please subscribe to the channel. It will keep you updated. Bye-bye and see you in the following video. Until then, keep colouring.